Excuse me. My bad, yeah. Yo,
What actually was that?
my fart shouldn't smell though, my bad. Y'all don't smell nothing, right? Okay, good.
Are you me?
Why you laughing at me, bruh? God damn. I'm a fart in peace, gang. Oh my gosh.
I'm not too sure.
I had Taco Bell today. That's messing with my stomach.
Doesn't the Tesla have like a feature where like you can make people fart?
Wait, what?
Yeah, they do. I've seen it before.
Well, that wasn't it, bro. That came right out my ass. Twice.
But is that right? Is there a feature like that?
I don't know.
There is. I've seen it.
Oh, okay. It is a feature. I'm messing with you.
Look, see? No fucking shot. I knew it. I literally knew it. But how are you making it like? How are you doing it?
I'm pressing that button.
Oh.